DIY laser pointer, with a slide switch and a push button. Warning: laser and battery can be dangerous or cause damage to eyes if making mistakes. DIY laser pointer, main parts and materials. 3V red laser module. Hot glue gun. 3V power supply, temporary. Play-Doh. 9V rechargeable battery. Pen, paper, ruler, sticky tape. Slide switch. Thread. Push button. Wire. Leveling survey. The aim of leveling is to determine the relative heights of different objects on or below the surface of the Earth and to determine the undulation of the ground surface. A simple method to align laser pointer with the principle of leveling survey. Table against wall. Stick V paper on wall with scales on a vertical line. Stick H paper on far end of table. Align both paper by thread or draw a line. I prefer sticking laser module on rechargeable 9V battery with Play-Doh. Temporary. Glue tab not good. Put battery with laser close to the vertical line and mark the center of laser on paper. Fix battery with laser with Play-Doh on the center line of the H paper. Turn on and adjust the laser module until it hit the mark on V paper. I then, without touching the laser module, fix it with glue gun. Circuit diagram. 1. Connect battery 9V to a non-middle pin of slide switch and push button. 2. Connect middle pin of slide switch and the other pin of push button, both to VIN of step-down module. 3. Connect step-down module VOUT to laser positive pin. 4. Connect battery GND to step-down module GND and laser GND. Set up step-down module. Solder a wire to VIN. Solder a wire to VOUT. Solder 2 wires to GND. EN pin not used. Adjust VOUT to 3V. Test and confirm VOUT 3V. Glue parts to 9V battery. Push button to side of battery. Slide switch to side of battery. Step-down module on top of battery. Wire soldering 1 and 2. 1. Connect battery 9V to a non-middle pin of slide switch and push button. 2. Connect middle pin of slide switch and the other pin of push button, both to VIN of step-down module. Note: use 9V battery connector if you have one. Wire soldering 3. 3. Connect step-down module VOUT to laser positive pin. Wire soldering 4. 4. Connect battery GND to step-down module GND and laser GND. Manage sticking out wires. Note: for sure you can do a better job and make it look better. Maybe a case or housing, aligned, vertically and horizontally. This laser pointer can be used in double-slit and Poisson spot experiments. https://u2.b/pnzqktcwm90. Thank you for watching.